Understanding, hit a bum note, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, hit a bum note. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and discover what this idiom means and how you can use it in your conversations. Hit a bum note is an idiom that originates from the world of music. Literally, it refers to a musician playing a wrong or discordant note. However, when used as an idiom in everyday language, it means to make a mistake or do something awkward or inappropriate in a social situation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Let's look at some examples to understand how hit a bum note is used in different scenarios. 1. In a conversation, I think I hit a bum note when I mentioned his ex-girlfriend. The mood suddenly changed. 2. In a work environment, the manager hit a bum note in the meeting by criticizing everyone's efforts. These examples show how the idiom is applied in various situations to indicate a misstep or faux pas. To use hit a bum note effectively, remember the following tips. It's often used in past tense, hit a bum note, to talk about a mistake already made. The phrase can be applied in both serious and light-hearted contexts. It's more commonly used in informal settings, although it can be used formally with the right tone. And there you have it. Hit a bum note is a colorful and useful idiom that adds flavor to your English. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning a language, and now you know how to describe those little social blunders in English. Hope this video has been informative and fun. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.